Welcome on today's conversation on the future of work, where AI isn't just a buzzword, but a business driver. This is Lenovo Work Reborn, live in Orlando.
Welcome to the Lenovo Work Reborn podcast. I am here with Renata. Renata, so thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Would you please share with the audience a little bit about your role and what you do at your company?
Yeah, I work for Natura. Natura is a cosmetic, beauty, and well-being company based in Brazil, and we have operations in all Latin America. And we also use raw bio-ingredients from the rainforest to produce our products. So there are a lot of social aspects behind our operation model. Also, like the direct sales with 3.1 millions of beauty consultants that sell our products.
Fantastic. And so I brought you onto the pod because I really wanted to ask you about the skills in this new AI world that we're entering in. And so I wanted to ask you, as the workforce maybe at Natura becomes more AI enabled, what skills do you think will phase out and which ones will be critical?
Yeah, I think that most of the operational skills, very operational, we can use AI. And I used to say that AI, it's amplified intelligence. So it's not, there are some jobs that will not be replaced by 100%, but we can use AI to amplify the intelligence and the potential of each job. So that's what I believe. The jobs will be remodeling. The way that we contract will not be by position, will no longer be by position, but will be by skills. So I may need, a designer that knows how to define context that is different from, architect. So that's the micro personalization of jobs that probably the marketing will go to.
Fantastic. And I know we're both at this conference right now. What is one takeaway that you've had from the various speaker sessions and the people that you've been speaking to at this conference? What's a takeaway around AI readiness and employee engagement that you have found that you are going to bring back to Natura?
Yeah. The takeaway is basically regarding last year, everything was about AI, agentic, technology. This year, I see a lot of human speakers, people amplifying the human skills, talking about love, talking about empathy, talking about intuition, how we expand our intuition, our creativity. So I believe that this is the secret to operate on this new era, is to amplify our human being skills and let the technology work for us and not the opposite.
I love that. Thank you so much for that insight. And if you enjoyed this conversation and want to learn more about how Lenovo is bringing new life to the modern workplace, please check out the description below to download the Lenovo Work Reborn report. Or if you're watching us on YouTube, you can scan this QR code right here, and we'll check you out in the next episode.
Thanks for joining us live in Orlando for this amazing episode of Work Reborn. I've been your host, Rita Risha, and it's been a pleasure to bring you insightful conversations from around the world, especially at this event, on how we are bringing new life to the modern workplace. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to stay tuned on more ways that we are doing just that, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe our channel, and download a copy of the Work Reborn report today.
Lenovo.